Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Bagaimana keadaan kamu hari ini? I hope you are fine with your family at home. Maklim harap kamu semua sehat bersama ahli keluarga kamu di rumah. Okay, so what is the time right now? So sekarang ni pukul apa? Do you know how to read clock? Kamu tahu tak macam mana nak baca jam? So that's what we are going to learn today, ya. And the objective is to tell the time, okay, untuk memberitahu masa. Maksudnya tengok jam dan kamu boleh beritahu pukul berapa. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn today. So I hope you are ready. So let's take a look at the first slide.
Module 1. Let's play. Vocabulary. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3:30.
Okay, first slide. Vocabulary, ya. Okay, so what we have here. It's 3 o'clock. Apa maksud 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock maksudnya pukul 3 tepat. O'clock maksudnya tepat lah. Tepat. 3 o'clock maksudnya 3 tepat. Okay. 4 o'clock maksudnya pukul 4 tepat. Macam tu. Okay. Maksudnya minit dia kosong. Jam saja. Okay. Baik. It's 3:30. Okay. 3:30 maksudnya lebih 30 minit. 3:30 maksudnya pukul 3 tambah 30 minit. So 3:30. 3:30. Half tu maksudnya separuh. Okay, separuh daripada sejam maksudnya setengah jam ataupun 30 minit. Okay, so 3:30 maksudnya 3:30. 4:30 maksudnya pukul 4:30. 7:30 maksudnya pukul 7:30. Okay. Okay, next. Grammar box. Okay, what we have in the grammar box today. What is the time? Okay, what's the time? Okay, pukul berapa sekarang? Sekarang pukul berapa? Apakah masa sekarang? Okay, it's 3 o'clock. Pukul 3 tepat. What's the time? Sekarang pukul berapa? Sekarang masa apa? Okay, it's 3:30. Pukul 3:30.
Activity 1. Look and listen. Then play. What's the time? It's 3:30.
Okay, activity 1. Okay, look and listen. Tengok dan dengar. Then play. Kemudian main. Okay, what's the time? Okay, it's 3:30. Okay, so we have two boys here. Ada dua budak lelaki kat sini. One is asking question, seorang bertanya, and the other one is answering the question. Seorang lagi jawab. So what's the time? Sekarang masa apa? Sekarang pukul berapa? It's 3:30. Pukul 3:30. Okay, so look at the right hand side. Okay, tengok di sebelah kanan. So what do we have? Okay, we have a lot of time shown in watches and clocks. Okay, kita ada banyak masa yang ditunjukkan dalam jam tangan dan juga jam dinding. So how to say the time that shown in the watches and the clocks? Macam mana kita nak sebut masa-masa yang ditunjukkan dalam jam-jam tangan dan juga jam-jam dinding ni? Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, the first clock. Okay, what is the time? Sekarang pukul berapa? Okay, it 10:30. Pukul 10:30. Sebab apa? Jarum pendek dekat 10 dan jarum panjang dekat 6. So it 10:30. Okay, 9:30. Ada nombor 9 dan nombor 30. Okay, 9 tu jam, 30 tu adalah minit. So what is the time? Pukul berapa? It 9:30. Okay, 9:30. Okay. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Why is 2 o'clock? Okay. Jawapan pendek dekat 2, jawapan panjang dekat 12. So, it's 2 o'clock. Okay. Okay. We have 12 and 0. Okay. 12 dan juga kosong. 12 di sebelah kiri dan kosong di sebelah kanan. Okay. 12 tu adalah jam dan kosong ataupun sifar tu adalah minit. So, 12 sifar minit. Okay. So, what is the time? Pukul berapa? It's 12 o'clock. Okay. It's 12 o'clock. Okay. Pukul 12 tepat. Okay. Next clock. Okay. What's the time? Pukul berapa? It's 1 o'clock. Okay. Pukul 1 tepat. Okay. Kenapa pukul 1 tepat? Sebab jarum pendek dekat 1 dan jarum panjang dekat 12. So, it's 1 o'clock. Okay, next. Okay, we have 11 on the left side and 30 on the right side. Kita ada 11 di sebelah kiri dan 30 di sebelah kanan. Okay, so what is the time? Pukul berapa? It's 11:30. Okay. 11:30. Pukul 11:30. Okay. What's the time? Pukul berapa? It's 7 o'clock. Okay. 7 o'clock. Pukul 7 tepat. Kenapa pukul 7 tepat? Sebab jarum pendek tu tunjuk dekat 7. Dia lebih sikit dia daripada 6 tu. So, dia pukul 7 lah. Okay. Sebab jarum panjang dekat 12. Okay. So, pukul 7 tepat. Or, it's 7 o'clock. Okay. Next. Okay. What's the time? Pukul berapa? It's 12:30. Okay. It's 12:30. Okay. Pukul 12:30. Okay. Kenapa pukul 12:30? Sebab jarum pendek dekat 12. Jarum panjang dekat 6. So, pukul 12:30 ataupun it's 12:30. Okay, next. So, we have a cat clock. Kita ada jam kucing kat sini ya. So, what's the time? Pukul berapa? It's 3:30. Okay, maksudnya pukul 3:30. Okay. Sebab jarum pendek dekat 3, lebih sikit daripada 3 dan jarum panjang dekat 6. So, 3:30. Okay, next. The blue clock. Okay, jam dinding yang berwarna biru. Okay, what's the time? Pukul berapa? It's 8:30. Okay, 8:30. Pukul 8:30. Why? Sebab apa? Sebab jarum pendek dekat 8 dan jarum panjang dekat 6. So, pukul 8:30. It's 8:30. Okay, next. On the left hand side, we have 6. And on the right hand side, we have 0. Okay, di sebelah kiri kita ada 6. Dan di sebelah kanan kita ada sifar. 6 tu menunjukkan jam. Sifar tu menunjukkan minit. So, pukul 6:00 minit. Ataupun 6 sifar minit. Okay, so how do we say it in English? Okay, what's the time? Pukul berapa? It is 6 o'clock. Okay, pukul 6 tepat. It is 6 o'clock. Pukul 6 tepat. Okay, next. Okay, green clock. Okay, so what's the time? Pukul berapa? It is 8 o'clock. Okay, it is 8 o'clock. Pukul 8 tepat. Kenapa? Jarum pendek dekat 8 dan jarum panjang dekat 12. Okay. It is 8 o'clock. Pukul 8 tepat. Okay. Last one. Okay. Jam yang terakhir. Okay. What's the time? Pukul berapa? It's 10 o'clock. Okay. It's 10 o'clock. Pukul 10 tepat. Sebab apa? Jarum pendek dekat 10 dan jarum panjang dekat 12. So, pukul 10 tepat. It's 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, exercise 1. Okay. Listen and tick. Okay, dengar dan tandakan right pada jawapan yang betul. Pada gambar jam yang menunjukkan jawapan yang betul. Okay. So, let's hear for the first one.
Module 1. Workbook. Let's play. Activity 1. Listen and tick. 1.
What's the time?
I think it's 1 o'clock. No. It's 1:30.
Okay. I think it is 1 o'clock. No, it 1:30. Dia kata, saya rasa pukul 1. Oh tak, pukul 1:30. Okay. No, it 1:30. Okay, pukul 1:30. So, the answer should be A. Okay, the answer should be A.
2. Tina, what's the time?
It's 9 o'clock.
Okay, number 2. Okay. Tina, what's the time? Okay, Tina, pukul berapa? Okay, so Tina jawab it's 9 o'clock. Okay, pukul 9 tepat. So, which picture show 9 o'clock? Okay, it is B. So, the answer should be B. Okay.
3. What's the time, Lisa?
Let me see. It's 7:30.
Okay, number 3. What's the time, Lisa? Okay, Lisa, pukul berapa sekarang? Okay, let me see. Biar saya tengok. It 7:30. Okay, 7:30. Maksudnya pukul 7:30. So, which picture show 7:30? Okay, gambar mana yang menunjukkan pukul 7:30 tu? Okay, should be picture B. Okay, so it should be picture B.
4.
Mum, what's the time?
It's 2 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
No, it's 2 o'clock.
Okay, number 4. Mums, what's the time? Mak, pukul berapa? It's 2 o'clock. Okay, pukul 2 tepat. Okay, so anak dia tak dengar. Anak-anak dia tanya. It's 12 o'clock? Pukul 12? No, it's 2 o'clock. Okay, pukul 2 tepat. Bukan pukul 12, pukul 2 tepat. So, which picture show 2 o'clock? Pukul 2 tepat. Okay, it should be picture B. Okay, picture B. Okay. Okay, homework. Okay, so for homework, you have to do this work in your exercise book. Kamu kena buat kerja ni dalam buku tulis kamu. Don't forget to write the day and date when you do this work. Jangan lupa untuk tulis hari dan tarikh bila kamu buat kerja ni. And you can use anything that round to help you draw the clock. Okay, kamu boleh guna apa saja yang bentuk dia bulat untuk bantu kamu lukis jam-jam ni. Okay, and you can use maybe 50 cent coin. Kamu boleh guna juga duit 50 sen untuk bantu kamu lukis jam ni. Okay, then answer the question. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, number 1 is it 4:30. Pukul 4:30. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, pukul 11 tepat. Okay, so just answer all the question 1 until 6 and do this in your exercise book dan buat dalam buku tulis kamu. Okay.